trigger. That's why it's so much. We're $99. We put in less than 50. Yes, we got the Oompas.
Oompa, loompa, doompa-dee-doo. I've got another feature for you.
Stretch it and
Oh yeah,
raise it.
spread it wide.
And make it long. Make it long. Raise it.
Go high.
Raise it. Come on.
Yeah, go up.
I like it. Keep going. Yes.
Yeah, another one.
Come on, Oompas. I like it. You're
Is that full?
well. That's the most you can get.
Let's get a good one.
I mean, I like a full screen of Wilds with the 10x multiplier.
This is gonna be good. It's gonna stop full screen.
Stop. 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 Oh my god!
Wonka! Where's our multiplier?
Charlie,
This is so good!
don't forget what happened to the man who suddenly got everything he always wanted.
Holy cow!
He lived happily ever after.
Oh my god, that's so many
I
wilds.
think we got something good. This will be $74. 100 what?
That's a lot of wilds. Like, that's a...
Why doesn't the
Look
right...
how fast it's counting up!
Why doesn't the right side light up? I don't get
It
it.
will!
Yeah?
It will! It's going in
Alright.
pieces! Oh my god! Holy shit!
That's it? I'm told. Why doesn't the right side
I
light
don't
up?
know. 227. Yay!
Goodness.
Oh my god.
We're only
not
betting
done
$1.50.
Oh my god.
We're only betting $1. Yay!
Nice.
Thanks. Holy cow! Where was the multiplier? Oh my god, that's
That would have been
beautiful.
awesome.
Holy crap. Okay. That's crazy. You should totally take a picture. Ready? Yes? Oh my god, I can't believe we got that. That was crazy. I've only seen that many wilds on Manette's hand pay.
Then we get a full screen of Wilds?
No, we got a full screen of Wonka during the bonus, which was amazing. Oh my god, we're only 17 feeling.
Third spin.
Mrs. CT's feelings are totally on. I had a good feeling about this game.
I have a good feeling about you.
Oh my god, yes. Come on, that's 60. Oh my god.
Yeah! Yeah!
Yes. Listen to Mrs. CT at all times. Oh my god. And you're going to say this is your money because it's your ticket, damn it. I just want some of it. Give me a little bit. Here.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god.
15, 25. $5.95.
This is our third spin. We're only
3 2 credits. Which means
Yeah.
three $5
Which means
spins.
3 $5 spins. This is half Mississippi.
Says who?
Me! Because you would not have sat here. I literally dragged you here with our winning Tito, thanks to Mrs. CT from Wonka. And you won $300 on Wonka, and you said it's mine, and I was like, fine. But then I was like, play your Wonka ticket here. And you did. And therefore, you just won $595. Meaning we won $595. Meaning I have $295.
So
and
this
you have
is half
$300.
yours. What do I get?
And a cuddle. And maybe more, which we can't tell the YouTube audience about. Shh. Yes! Woo! Heart, 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 heart. Oh, you know I'm doing a few more spins.
Hey, I'm up for
awesome
the
at
trip.
picking games. You're... Come on! This is half me. Where was that? Oh my god, come on! I'll take that too. I don't care. I'm not picky. Oh my god, good lord. Come on, ladies. Dolphin, everything. Pearls. Oh, I can't believe that miner landed. That's amazing. I'm so excited. I'm also almost done, which is fun. We're cashing out at like 11:15. You know why? Because I want my profit. Our profit. My profit.
My profit. My money. Ah. If you get another one, I'll give you it.
Come on, that's just mean. Yeah, because they're so easy to get. How many of these dolphin bonuses did I get? 0 balls bonuses?
Dolphin bonuses, never say.
I want the balls all the time. I don't want the dolphins. Oh, man. I want the balls all the time. That's nothing.
Balls to the wall, boys.
On this game.
To the window.
To the wall. Till the sweat drips down.
My balls.
And falls.
Ah, ski, 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 ski. Oh, we're gonna get flagged for copyright.
Oh, damn it. Again?
That sounded exactly like it.
It did. Somebody's gonna be like, is this your version of the song? Well, obviously.
Pretty sure it was.
Pretty sure it's Sandra Bullock's version from my favorite movie
What was
with
that
my
movie?
second husband.
Your second husband.
The Proposal.
The
Ryan
Proposal,
Reynolds, my
that was
second
it.
husband. Can I do another spin?
Sure.
Can I just do more spins? I don't care.
Oh, you were catching on at 150.
Yes, I still am. Haha. I love it when I prove Mr. CT wrong. It's the best. Damn it, I can't take one more spin. One more. Okay.
Oh, you are 1 penny short.
Am I?
2 pennies short.
I'm 2 pennies. That's fine. That's the 2 pennies you were short, anyways. Yay!
What are you gonna 2 pennies over?
We're gonna do it to 11:40.
You were cashed out.
I know, I lied.
50.
Just one more. Okay.
Good job.
Yeah, we might get 0.
Which one are you thinking?
I don't care.
I'm thinking the right one. Is that all right?
I'm thinking the right also.
Hit it.
No, I'm not touching anything. I'm not responsible. Yes!
Oh, middle one.
No, I love the flying monkey bonus. Because the monkeys can come out and give so many wilds, and I've done well on this one. Yes, that's what you want. Come on, monkeys.
Come on, monkeys. Any day now.
No, you have to hit them.
We get one?
No, you get a ton. You could get like a 50.
Go to the left. Well, stay fair.
Oh,
Yes,
yes.
good.
Oh,
Four.
no. Come on, keep
That's
going.
it.
Oh,
90 credits.
that wasn't a good one.
450.
They didn't land in a good spot. Or with good symbols. Oh, you get a retrigger with...
You get a retrigger with what?
Well, we didn't
3
get
of
it.
those?
3 of these. Oh my god, we have no other monkey spins? This is terrible. There you go. Yes, we have Dorothy's, so we need monkeys everywhere there so that we get Dorothy's. Well, no, not to cover the Dorothy's. Thank you. That's a good one.
Dorothy, 5 of a kind.
Yeah, 5
bottom,
of a kind
top,
Dorothy.
bottom.
Yes, big win. That's got to be decent. This is nickels. 22.50.
250.
Oh, it's over $100.
Awesome.
Hear me. Mrs. CT picks yet another winner.
I told you how to bet though. You were getting nothing.
No, you were saying
You
go
were getting
lower.
nothing and wanted to leave.
No, I
And
didn't.
I told you how to bet.
I never want to leave a slot. Yay! Awesome, $126. Thanks, game. Look at our Tito. We started with so little money and now we're up a lot. Nice, Oz. I'd like another one. I'd like slippers now.
Oh, wrong game.
Oh, back to back would have been so good.
Super good.
Sorry, oh, nice. Sorry, ours has no sound.
Sorry, what?
Ours has no sound.
Ours has no sound. We just listen to neighbors.
Theirs is loud.
Boom, boom, boom.
Wish ours had sound. We're up.
La 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 la.
I want the bubble.